how to get rid of Reels from Instagram. So if you want to disable or get rid of your Reels on your Instagram, then first you need to open up your Instagram application. After opening your Instagram, now you need to go with your profile, which is on the bottom right. Go with the upper right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. And let me tell you one thing, that you don't have an option to get rid of your Reels from your Instagram because it's a default option and you don't have an option to disable that. But you can request Instagram to remove that feature from your device or from your account. So you just need simply scroll down, go with the help. Under help, you can go with report a problem and then tap on report problem. Tap on don't include and then briefly explain what you want to do or what's happened or what's not working. So you need to write, hello Instagram team, I want to get rid of my Instagram Reels. So please disable my Instagram Reels. And after that, you need to go with send. And once you've sent, your problem might be fixed. So that's the only way. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.